close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Having just cut the plastic open, let's see what you're getting inside the box here. And in terms of inside of the box, well, you're greeted first with some instructional cards on top, Vsett user manuals, explains everything about using the Vsett scooter, NFC, off-road, dual motor, and as well about its hydraulic disc brakes. You're also getting a little quality control checklist. And the one thing you notice with this Vsett scooter immediately, when you take a look at this hefty box, the weight, it's got a sense of quality. So let's throw the manuals aside for a sec. What you also get in here is a bag here, which is really nice to see. What Vsett have included in the packaging here is, well, a really neat multi-tool here. All your requirements taken care of. There's also a Allen key here, as well as this here, extra extension tube for tire inflation. They've basically thought of everything here. Then what you also get is these two little reflectors, and if we move that aside, you're getting your power adapter cord here, the European South African style plug as we have on this one, and inside here what we're also getting, of course, is your charge brick. Now again, light, compact, easy to move around. It's a AC/DC adapter here, 100 to 240 volts, output 1.5 amps, and what's nice about it is so light and easy you can put in a backpack and give yourself even extra charge. Not that range is an issue, because this dual motor model offers some seriously impressive range as well. So let's now take out the scooter itself, see how quick and easy it is to assemble, and get the whole process started.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on